If Bob is in trouble and needs your help, he will stop, and his play button will rapidly blink blue. Open up the bObsweep app to see what the issue is. Bob's trouble messages are visible on the control page of the bObsweep app. Tap on the trouble message at the top of the screen for more details. Once you are finished reading, tap OK to make the message disappear. If Bob is having trouble with his left or right wheels, check them from obstruction and clean them. If Bob is having trouble with his main or side brushes, remove and clean them. You may use tweezers to remove congestion from the brush ends or scissors to cut hair wrapped around the brushes. If Bob is having trouble with his left or right side of his bumper, check the specified side for obstruction and clean. You may use the cleaning tool or an air compressor. If Bob is having trouble with his left, right, or front edge sensor, reposition Bob so all the sensors are on the ground. If Bob has a power error, check his battery connection. If Bob has a low battery, place Bob on his charging station and charge him. If Bob is having trouble with his vacuum motor, open up his filter container and remove any congestion that could be blocking the flow of air. If Bob is having trouble with his dustbin, then the dustbin is disconnected. Remove the dustbin, wipe the connectors, and reinsert. If Bob is having trouble with his mop, then the mop attachment is disconnected. Remove the mop attachment, wipe the connectors, and reinsert. For further troubleshooting assistance, contact our helpful support team at 1-888-549-8847 or support@bobsweep.com.